on this video today, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use to make money online in 2023. So just keep on watching. So the first strategy is blogging online. So how does this blogging business model work? So how it works is that you will be the brand. So you are the face of this blogging business. So what you have to do is to go and create your website on Bloggerspot. So I have a video that I made on Bloggerspot showing people how to create your free website on Bloggerspot for 100% free without you paying a dime. So once you have your website with your name, then you can start writing articles about products like SEO tools, like brands, cameras. You start writing a blog reviewing products and services, letting people know what they don't understand about the product or the services, or doing a review about what you think that this product is, if you have used it on your own personal opinion, or what you think people are saying about that particular kind of product. And if you are able to give more value, let me say I just land on your website, I might just decide to buy that camera because you give more value details, explaining me what I don't know or what I'm not aware of about that particular product or that services. So you are convincing me, letting me to know that this product is a good product. There's the bad side and there's the good side. So you explain the bad side and the good side. At the end of the day, you'll be in a chance of making money as the one publishing all these products and services on your blogging website. And you can still make money, like I said, with affiliate program, just like I'm saying. And how it works, you can join like Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ, a lot of affiliate program that you can join and start blogging about all those tools and services, and you are going to get compensated up to 10% to 80% commission if you are able to convince people to buy the product. That is how the first business model works. It's not hard. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, a full video I made, you can watch this video that will pop up right now if you want. So let us move to the second way that you can use to make money with this strategy. So the second way is e-commerce business. So I know a lot of folks know about e-commerce. So what people are calling drop shipping. So what you are going to be doing is to create a brand. So what I recommend is that you need to focus on one brand. Focus on one brand. So once you have the name you want to use for this your brand, then you need to go and do research and see if this brand is going to work for you or not. Before you start anything that is called brand, make sure you do your own proper research and see if it's something that you really want to get involved into. Because if it works, it don't work, everything depends on you. So that is why I said you should do research about the brand that you are trying to work on. So how this business model works, once you have your brand idea, then you can start with Shopify. If you want to use Shopify, the link to sign up on Shopify will be the second link in the description. If you want, just check it out. So that is it. And once you have your Shopify account created, you have built it, then you can now start putting your products on that your Shopify account and start promoting them. So how you can promote it can be like from TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So it just depends on the strategy that you want to start using to promote that your tools and services. I know today now everybody understands social media, but it's not everybody that understands how social media strategy work, but everybody understands how to post on social media and have a video. You already know that you can post it on social media. So as long as you know how to post and understand how social media algorithm work, then you can do this business strategy. So you don't need to pay any money on this e-commerce strategy. So only what you need is your time. Invest your time and little bit amount of money to pay for your domain, which will be your website, so that you'll be able to list your product that people are going to click through that social media and go to your website and buy the product. So that is how this business model works, and you can do it even if you don't have any skills, you don't have any experience. As long as you have a smartphone and a computer, you can do this business strategy. So that is how this strategy works. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think about e-commerce in the comment section. The third business strategy is buying and selling. So I have did buying and selling, and I make up to 5,000 euros by doing this. When I did that, so at that period I did that was 2022. I did buying and selling. So what I was doing is that I would go to Amazon and buy product in low price and sell it in high price. So I'll buy like Nike Air 200 or Nike Air 250. I'll buy that and I'll buy it like 35 euros and I'll sell it 50 euros, 100 euros, depend on the person that want to buy the product from me. So I will list them in different. If how I do it, look at how I do it. If I see that Nike product just came out, is on sale, I will just quickly buy it. And what I can, let me say, is in different colors. I can put the different colors in different price. So that is how I use the strategy of making money with this method. So I put the different color in different amount. Let me see, color 1 will be like 100 euro, color 2, 250, color 3, 200. So that is how I put the range of how I maximize, how I can utilize this strategy or this method to make money on my own decision, not anyone telling me what to do. I will buy like 50 of these products, and what I have to do is to go and list them on the website like I will list them in a website like Etsy, or I can list them on eBay, and I can list them on Facebook Market. So those are the platforms I'm using to list products and services, and I'm getting like more than like almost 10,000 people contacting me every single day about this particular product and services. So there's a lot of money that can be made with this strategy. So I made $5,000 plus by just doing this in 1 month. So I want you to go and take advantage of this strategy. It's really, really good, and anyone can do this strategy. So that is how this buying and selling work. Buy product in low price and sell it in high price. Fourth strategy is real estate. So what you are going to be doing is to start selling houses. So I know you see, but I don't have house, and I don't even have that idea of building a house, or how can I do this? It's like when I say start a business of real estate, start investing in real estate. I know you'll be saying, oh, do I need to put my money? No. What I mean by investing in real estate on my own perspective is you are going to be the one bringing clients to real estate agents, and what they are going to do, they are going to pay you money by doing that. So do you know that around that area where you live, there's a lot of houses. So nobody's living in that house. And there's a lot of real estate agents. They are looking for this type of houses to invest on that house and rebuild them. So all those real estate agents, what they can do once they find those type of houses, like all those abandoned houses, they can rebuild all these houses and start putting people into those houses, and they are going to start making money online. So what you are going to be doing as the middleman of this business is that you are the one that is going to be reviewing all those houses to this estate agent. So what you are going to be doing is to go to real estate agent, tell them that, okay, I can go and look for a lot of abandoned houses that is around my areas or around anywhere. I'll bring your contact, bring your address to you. So you pay me this amount of money for bringing all this address to you. So you don't even need to go to the owner of the house. You don't even need to go to see the person that owns that apartment. You don't even need to ask any question. You just need to make sure that you know that this house, there's nobody living inside and they want to sell it. So once you have this, once you know this, all you just need to do is to go and report this house to those real estate agents. So what they are going to do, they are going to go and look around this house, and they are going to contact the owner of the house. So once they have the contact and information of the owner of the house, they are able to negotiate and buy this house from this real estate agent. They are going to pay you up to like 2 to 3% of what they used to buy that house, or they can fix a particular amount that they can give you for just bringing only one client to them. Or it can be a lifetime recurring commission, which is every single month you are going to be getting money as long as they are still having a relationship and a collaboration on that house. So it depends on how you decide with the real estate agent. So that is how this business model works. So what you are going to be doing is bringing clients to real estate agent. You are going to be making money online. So that is how this strategy works. I hope you get it understanding. The number 5 strategy that you can use to make money online is to start a print-on-demand business. I know you'll be saying, well, I said e-commerce and print-on-demand, they are almost similar. So yes, they are almost similar, but what I'm talking about, why I said print-on-demand. Print-on-demand is that you don't need to touch the products. You don't need to do anything on that particular product. So what you are going to be doing to be able to drive traffic to that your website, make people to buy the product, and you get your own percentage, and the supplier, which is the manufacturer, will still get his own percentage. So that is how it works. What you are going to be doing, collaborate with manufacturer of product and services, and what they are going to be doing is they are the one that's going to be shipping this product to your clients. And what you have to be doing as the middleman is to create your own website, publish all these products and services on your website, promote them, make money, and the manufacturer gets his own share, you get your own share. That is how print on demand works. It's very, very simple, and a lot of people are taking advantage of that. You can do this for 100% free by paying no single dime. So you can do this on your smartphone or through your computer. So the perfect way that you can use to do this strategy is to use your Etsy account. So you can go and create a seller account on Etsy and start publishing all these products that you have created on like printify, and publish them on Etsy. And once they buy it, then you can go and complete the payment on your printify account. And at the end of the day, you are going to see money coming into your bank account. It depends on how much you added on that product and the services that you have just created. So what you are going to do is to go and create a design on Canva, design for t-shirt, design for mug, design for pillowcase, design for cap, hoodies, all this. Create a design around all these categories of t-shirt or shoes and publish it on that your Etsy account. You are going to find a lot of clients because Etsy is getting more than millions of visitors coming to that platform. If you are able to publish your product and services on Etsy, you'll be in a chance of making money with this strategy. So that is how you can make money with these 5 strategies that I just talked about. And I will say thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Only what I will ask from you is to share this video, like, leave me a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think. I will see you on my next upcoming video.